For my chance operation, I wanted to use it as the chance to look at what society thinks is appropriate, especially concerning women's bodies. And to do that, I decided to make a print that I was going to put on a pair of leggings. Leggings are one of those things that recently have come up a lot as sort of like not appropriate to wear as pants. And I absolutely plan on wearing them as pants to sort of provoke thought. I decided to sort of take Duchamp's method of dropping something, except I decided to drop garbage. Again, sort of thinking about along the lines of what is appropriate and what is considered aesthetically pleasing, and whether or not like you should be taking garbage to create a print. I collected specific sorts of garbage, only the kind that could be composted in the end, so no plastic was mixed in there, and also that's the sort of garbage that no one really wants to touch. So it's got eggshells, popcorn, coffee grounds, lots of vegetation, lots of onion skins all mixed up in there. I dropped it from my belly button because I decided instead of having to create like a rig for how high I drop it, my belly button never actually changes. It's always in the same place, so I could use that to drop it every time. From there, I would take an image of it. I'd take a picture and I'd upload those to Photoshop. I think I dropped it 16 times. I narrowed that down to 9, and then I chose one that had a variety of like colors and shapes that I could use and sort of spread out and sort of looked nice. From there, I took a layer I drew over each one in a layer so that I could print them separately, and then I cut them out using an X-Acto knife. And I was able to take that and create a stencil out of it that I could put on the leggings. The leggings had to be something I was comfortable wearing because I was thinking along the lines of De Maria and keeping the human element in this, because I always like to keep the human element in things. And as I have learned of myself, I will talk to anyone, and people especially like to comment on clothes if they're interesting. So I tried to keep it along the lines of something bright and fun. I chose primary colors. It's got red, blue, and gold, which from my experience, I know that fabric paint gold always becomes yellow. Then it's got white and silver, which also becomes gray. I took that and I was able to use a stencil and paint over it. It has a cool sort of like graffiti look, and I actually like the way it turns out. And I have to be able to wear them because that is the last bit of my chance experiment or chance procedure. We'll see what happens.